Now that you've got an image into your Microsoft Word document, you're going to want to manipulate it. As an example, when I drop this dog into the document, it's a big image. It's taking up a lot of space. It's got the width of the page there. Perhaps I just want a little thumbnail of the image. So I want to shrink this down. I want to resize it. Now this is another really simple technique, a really quick one, and you've probably done it inside of other Office applications or perhaps other applications out there on the market. So with the image selected, and all I do is just click on it to select it, I'm going to get a few little icons that show up around this image. You can see inside of each corner, I've got a little circle. On the sides, north, south, west, and east sides of this image, I've got the little circle as well. These are your resize handles. The little hooked arrow at the top will allow you to rotate the image. So let's take a look at resizing. I'm just going to move to one of the corners. Doesn't matter which corner. I'll just left click on that corner and drag. And this will allow me to resize that image. Now you'll notice that I can drag in all directions, but the image, depending on how far I go in a particular direction, is starting to get skewed. So I'm starting to make that little puppy kind of tall and skinny there. Or let's see, I'll squish him down, make him a little squatty there, right? But I'm changing the aspect ratio or the size of this image, and it's not maintaining the width and height ratio of this image. So I'm going to let go. I'm going to Control Z that just to undo that operation. Now let me try that again, but this time as I drag that corner icon, I'm going to hold down the Shift key on my keyboard. And this will constrain the proportions. So it doesn't matter which direction I move in, the width and the height of that image, the ratio, will stay the same. That way I don't get a skewed image, and I can bring that thing way down. There we go. Okay. So all I'm doing is just grabbing one of the icons. You can click and drag. You can scale it however you like. If you want to keep the aspect ratio the same for width and height, make sure you hold down the Shift key. So try this out. Insert an image if you don't have it already, and then resize it. Just grab one of those little boxes, little actually circles in the corners or the sides, and start to resize that image. Try it out.